For those who are thinking about jumping into Hollister High School here, or maybe debating on taking the traditional high school path or the CTE path, you find yourself, you being an individual that enjoys working with your hands, this would be a good spot. Our Auto 1 class is our introductory course. So as students complete that successfully, then they would move on to vocational auto. Vocational auto is more geared towards a career in automotive. Completing that course, you're coming away with entry-level ASE certification, which is industry standard for the automotive industry.
Yeah, there's a lot of opportunities, especially in automotive, because cars aren't going anywhere. In fact, they're advancing, so we need more people who are knowledgeable to obtain and upkeep cars. And if college is not your thing, there's always the trade route, which is just another opportunity that you can look into.
The facility at Hollister High School is really nice, it's big, it's really hands-on, and you don't really get that in many places, so I think we're fortunate for that. Even if you don't want to take up a career in automotive industry, never bad to learn how a vehicle works and how you can maintain your vehicle to keep it going for a good amount of time.
This is the exact same machines you're going to find down at your local tire shop. We have students going to trade schools, local community colleges that have auto programs are walking in there and being extremely successful as well.